Simula na ng ating bakasyon. Ito na po ang pa-birthday natin. Pupunta tayo sa island. Sa paborito po naming island sa Terschelling. Sakay po tayo ng bus. Kaya nag-park kami dito guys. Malayo pa po yung lalakarin. Thank you for the birthday gift. Idea niya to guys.
So many birthday gift.
The boat. Kakarating lang ng barko guys. Anong oras na tingnan nyo? 8:05 po ang aming alis. What a big boat! Here. Nathan! Okay! Wow! Enjoy! Buti na lang may palaruan sa sila dito. Enjoy na siya. Hindi natin mag-isip anong gawin natin sa kanya. Yeah. Oh, nag-drive na si Nathan, guys! Wow! Look at that! We're going! Bye-bye, Friesland! Sekma!
Bye-bye!
Kami lang dito, mga bata umalis. Excited ka na magpunta sa Terschelling, Bebe Lab? Nang libre si Biana ng coffee. Hindi ako uminom kayo, nag-coffee na po kami sa bahay. Uy! Ilabas na ang mga baon, guys. Vika also na.
Oh, Vika. Please.
Tinapay.
Thank you.
Okay ka lang dyan? Okay pa? Okay pa ang lahat? 2 hours pala itong boat na ito. Ito po tayo sa taas, guys. Tingin-tingin tayo. Grabe. I'm getting dizzy, mahal. Stop holding my butt.
What do you mean holding your butt? Not even near you, Mahal.
I'm not even in this. Oh, you have a dagat in the Netherlands? You never told me you have dagat. Picture. Yun na yun. Balik na tayo kanila, Nata. Nandun po sila ni Bianan. Sa naglalaro na naman si Nata. Naglakad-lakad sila kanina sa boat. They have a bar here, guys.
You want red wine?
Buang, super early. That's the look. Okay. Why, you want beer?
It's super early in the morning.
Super early in the morning. Wala masyadong tao. It's not busy, mahal, no?
No.
In fairness. Tingnan nyo. Ito po yung kanilang pa-restaurant. Smoothie. Ano pa yan dyan? Mga salad-salad. May sabaw din po sila. What is that? Again?
Simple card game. You can also play it with normal cards.
Photo, photo. Photo, my love. 1, 2, 3. Nathan, photo here. Kike here, baby love. 1, 2, 3. Picture. Terschelling! Nakabalik na naman tayo dito, guys. After... When was the last time you were here, Mahal? Just last year, right?
A year ago, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, koma. Magkuha na tayo ng mga bike. Okay. Hindi kasi kami sabay-sabay na nag-book ng bike. Sa ibang ano po yan siya. Kay puno na yung dito. Yung bike natin dito, guys. Hindi pa naman yun electric. Mag-exercise talaga tayo dito ng 3 araw. May pa-bike po sila na ganito. Yung tandem. Ay, they also have, look, baby love. Electric tandem. Ganito nga sana ang kunin namin, di ba nakaganyan kami dati. Last punta namin dito, buntis po ako kay Lucas. Ganyan. Yeah, but no more, baby love. Naka-reserve na lahat yan. Ano sana, electric na ganun ba? Para si Daniel lang ang mag-bike. Wala na nga silang ganun. Nagtanong ako yung pwede kami umupo ni Nathan. Opo. Kasi natakot siya. Merong mag-ama ba? Ganyan yung kanila, tapos nasarap yung bata umiiyak, natatakot.
That's why the idea was, that I can...
I'll carry it. I can carry it, Mahal. Ito na po yung ating bike. Doon siya kay Daniel mag-upo.
No, I don't think this one will fit.
No. Yeah! Sa bike ni Bianan. Hindi din siya nag-electric guys, kaya hindi kami nag-electric. Wow! Nire-ready na ni Daniel si Nathan. Iba po ang hotel ni Bianan sa amin kasi nung nag-book po ako, pag-book din po ni Bianan, puno na yung hotel. Pero malapit lang din po yung hotel niya sa amin. Akin na yan, be. Ayaw mo yan?
What is the bag? Is the bag pushing it?
A little bit. Maghatid na po tayo ng bag sa hotel. Look at their scaling, guys. Wow, I love it. Maghatid na po tayo ng mga gamit sa hotel. Ako na din ang nagdala ng bag ni Daniel. Kaya naiipit po si Nathan. Napag-iwanan na tayo. Tingin-tingin na lang muna talaga kayo dyan, guys. Yan na lang ang pa-birthday ko po sa inyo. Grabe, oy. Ang bag ba, kabigat. Nahulog na naman siya, guys. Tingnan niyo, diba yan? Nahulog na naman yung ano natin, bag. Struggle na kami dito, guys. Ang suitcase nandoon na, hawak-hawak na po ni Daniel. Laban lang, uy. Mauna po tayo sa hotel ni Bianan. Ay naku, kahirap, hindi electric. Uy, kabigat. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayaring kababalaghan sa bike na ito, pero grabe niya kabigat, guys. Hindi na normal. Ito po yung hotel ni Bianan, Westport. Oh! Sinabi ko kay Daniel ba, nahirapan ako magbike kay nasa 5 pala siya. Yeah, but my bike is super good when I do it 5. Dapat 2 lang daw. You're driving at 1?
Can you put this in your
Yeah.
thing too? Because now it's getting too much to have
Yeah.
that and then Nathan too.
High 5.
You know, we went here many times. We never took this. We never had any problems.
Bad trip siya sa suitcase. Because you told me that they send that to our hotel and then the guy asked you. And then what did you say? No, it's fine.
Yeah, because we need to bring it back anyway when we go back. And at least now I know it will be crappy when we need to go back in 2 days. In 3 days.
What? Why? Sabi mo.
Why?
Dan? What now?
Okay, yeah.
Look at my mother-in-law, guys. You see that? 73 years old, still riding a bike. Woo! So proud. Yan po yung hotel natin. Hotel Bornholm. Ito na po yung... Abot pa tayo dito. Sabi na mga pa-birthday. Ito pa. Abot na tayo ng mga kalasangan. Hinangak ako doon ah. This is new, mahal.
Not the bus spot. I wanted to go to the bus.
Yeah. Iba pala tong dinaanan natin. Hindi ito yung sa Kalasangan, guys. Ibang daan din po siya yung palagi nating dinadaanan. Ah, Bianan, oh. Ah. Where, my love? That gun was loaded. And I'm so sorry, my friend. I didn't know. I didn't know that gun was loaded. Mga pa vacation houses, guys. Mga maliliit na vacation house. Camping-camping kayo dyan. Pero hindi ko type yung ganyan na style. Mas gusto ko sa hotel kaya doon may pre-breakfast guys. Dyan magluto-luto ka. Punta nga tayo ng bakasyon para hindi maghugas ng mga kaldero. First time po talaga namin nakadaan dito. Look, may paano sila oh. Maliit na pa. Ilog-ilog po dito. Mahal, we've never been here before. Mahal ba? No. Nice. Look. That is nice. Nainit no, Bebe Love.
This is nicer for him.
Yeah.
Than the normal beach.
Yeah. Maybe we can go back here more later or tomorrow. Look, may mga naliligo po dyan oh. Mahal, on what number are you, my love, in the bike? I am 3. Here.
Depends. I'm just changing what I would like to feel.
Okay. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan, baka layo na nila. Ako din, sobrang layo ko din sa kanila. Dito na tayo sa Kalasangan. Mag-enjoy lang kayo dyan sa ating bakasyon guys ha. Pasensya na po sa mga nagsasabi na Inday Garnet, hindi mo bagayahin si Maricel. Nagpunta sila ng Norway, mag-vlog daw doon. Diyos ko Lord, pagkalayo. Ilang araw sila nagbiyahe doon guys. Hindi yan kaya ng mister ko. Buti man ang mister niya. Mahilig po yung mag-drive-drive. Na, hintayin nyo na lang pag nakapag-ano na po ako. Nakapagkuha na ako ng lisensya. Kay drive-in po yan, papuntang Pilipinas guys. Magsasakyan tayo, huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi po lahat ng tao ay mahilig mag-drive. Isa na po dyan ang mister ko. Struggle na kami mapunta ng malapit na po dito sa mga Belgium. Pero napunta man tayong Belgium, di ba last time. Pero yung mga ganyan guys, kalayo, dapat dalawa po talaga kami na nagda-drive ni Daniel. Kaya para salitan. Vika, did you already regret that you did not get an electric bike?
No, you?
Yeah. This is different lagi mahal. You know, I am super driving a lot. I'm driving a lot and very fast. And then you're still so far from me.
You need to use your
I am.
thing. You know, if you go faster, you put it up. And then when it's harder to cycle, you go slow, you put it back down.
Ah.
Don't put it 5. Oh, 5 feels nice. I will just leave it there. That doesn't work.
Ah. Oh, sige na. Go. Power Ranger. Let's go. Woo! Ay, puro reklamo itong mga natin dito sa bike. Reklamador daw, sabi ng mister ko. Ay, that's who you marry. You accept. Hindi nga nagreklamo si Diana na 73 years old. Oh! Ay, tingnan nyo naman ang mga padjak kasi nila guys. Isang padjak nila, 3 sa akin. Kaliit-liit ng mga galamay ko. Mga galamay lang parang mga octopus. Basta, ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, hintayin nyo pa ako ang makadrive. Araw-araw na tayo wala sa Netherlands. Bukas Belgium. Sa sunod France. Oh, saan pa ba? Tapos Greece. I-drive ko yan. Sa ngayon, na ganito pa si Inday Garnet guys. Sa Kalasangan ko na muna kayo dalhin. Yung mga ganito lang muna.
You know what's funny?
when we were getting the bikes, I told you, you can still take an electric bike, Mahal. No, I don't want.
No, because I don't like it when I have electric and then you don't. Ayaw niya man talaga mag-electric. Pangit din. Mag-electric ako tapos ang mag-ama ko naka-manual lang. Manual kaming lahat. Si Bianandi sabi, bakit hindi kayo nag-electric? Dapat mag-electric tayo. Sabi ni Daniel, ayoko ah. Hindi siya nag-electric.
You know what helps too?
Using
2 hands on your stick.
Mahal, I am working. They need to see.
I know, but you are a reclamador and it works better with 2 hands.
Yeah, but this is work.
Then it's less heavy.
We need money because we're going to the Philippines. Woo! Philippines! Alam nyo, nung 2 days ago, my husband said that he is really looking forward sa bakasyon. Mas excited pa siya, guys. Na mag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Tapos tinanong siya ni Vika ba, bakit? Sabi nga kay doon, wala kaming iniisip na mga problema dito kay trabaho, mga tax, pambayarin. doon kay relax lang. Tapos dito mag ano pa sa bahay, mag-exercise na. Tapos si Nathan, may magbantay po doon. Kaya sabi niya talaga, si Vika ang sinabihan niya. Sabi niya, I cannot wait till we are in the Philippines. He's looking forward daw talaga. Rinig nyo yun? Parang Pinas lang tayo. Ito yung mga pabahay-bahay nila dito. Ang iba dyan, mga farm po yan dati, no? Tapos ginawa na lang, parehas yan, no? Farm yan dati sa likod. Tapos ginawa nilang bahay ba? Bakit? Maganda din naman ito, ah. Oh? Para din tayo sa Norway, guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga front garden nila. Lalo na ito, malinis. Wow! China all, mahilig mag-gardening. Wow! Ganda ng mga pabahay nila. Ito, palaki oh. Kabayo pa sila dyan. May tao pa sa likod ko. Oh, sana all electric. Yung mga nagbabike ko. The village of Midland. Moy moy palaboy. Ganda ng pabulaklak niya doon. Vika, would you love to live here?
No.
No?
No. Holiday is okay.
Yeah.
But no, I don't want to live here.
No.
It's too small
Yeah.
and always with the birds.
Yeah. You are right. Feeling ko mga tao dito, mga marites ba? Kaysa grabe nila ka ano, wala ang magawa sa buhay, magmarites na lang. Alam niyo ba ng mga marites din yung mga Dutch guys? Kung marites tayo, mas marites po yan sila. Wow! Bati ka? Ha? 3! Woo! Wow, we're back! Ito na po yung isang street na puno ng mga pa-restaurant, tapos mga stores. Magpunta tayo doon sa ano, sa Chocolate Winkle, sa chocolate store. Yes. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Kaya lang eh. Dabi, tsura daw natin be kung kaya lang. Kaya lang.
Hunt?
Love you.
You too.
Where are we going? To the chocolate museum? Museum?
There is no chocolate museum.
Chocolate Winkle store. Doon siya sa lola niya. They have bakery, Vika. Yeah, that can.
Probably more busy on Saturday.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because today is, what is it? Thursday. Hmm? Oh, the Chocolate Winkle. Mas busy nga naman ito sa ano, weekend. Nagtrabaho pa ang mga tao, no. Sa Sabado pa po ang uwi namin. So Thursday po today. And we were there before sitting. Nathan was not there yet. We were sitting there. Nakapunta na din po kami dito ni Daniel nung wala pa si Nathan. At saka nung buntis ako last year.
To get something for on the beach?
For on the beach?
Because we did not bring, right?
Yeah, for Nathan. Yeah, magpunta tayo doon. For, like,
Then let's go to the coffee first, and
Yeah.
then we can go back here.
yeah. But this is our first time to go here with Vika.
Ja. Nice. Hier hebben ze ook wel kleine rugzakjes.
Ja, we gaan deze voor op het strand.
And this one. Mosselen? Lekker. Oh, Aisha. Ook lekker. Ice cream. We always sit here, Vika, this restaurant. Dito ba? What do you want? Chocolate or ice cream? Agoy. Mamaya, okay? Diyan muna tayo sa chocolate thing ko, sa chocolate store.
I'm telling Vika, I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
If we're going there, there's
Yeah.
no
Yes, this is the chocolate store. Dito natin yung... Agoy, I want to... Dito nabili yung pot ni Daniel, guys, nung birthday niya. Last year. Oh yeah, that was your birthday, mahal, when we went here. And all the teas in the world.
coffee beans.
Are you buying it today? Katrabaho po ni Daniel. Nag-ano sa kanya, pakiusap ba kung pwede ba siyang bumili ng tea dito, 5 bag daw. Yung ganito. Doon sa Cranberry restaurant. Nagbago ang mga isip. Hindi na lang muna tayo dyan kasi pang snack-snack po sila dyan. Tapos gutom na sila. Gusto na nilang lunch mga benta nila. Si Nathan mag-ice cream lang yan. Kaya kumain na ng tinapay. Opo, tara, magpunta tayo sa ice cream. Come on. Yeah, because it's mostly snack there, mahal.
Yeah, but usually what we do is we have breakfast already and
Yeah.
then we go here
Yeah.
and then have a cup of tea.
Yeah. There, see ya? Do you see? So big ice cream. Wow. Si Madam. Come on, come on. Oh.
Ja, voor de ijsje.
Chocolate ice cream, he said. Wow. Yummy, yummy.
Wauw.
Nou, kijk maar. Ja. Hello. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh. Kumain na siya ng tinapay habang nagbabike po kami. Yung ano ba, yung dala-dala po namin na tinapay. Si Daniel, may tiningnan po doon. A bag? Vika is looking for a bag?
Ja,
Oh?
zakje.
Okay. Nag-enjoy yung tao ng anak ko. Can I have a little bit? Can I taste a little bit, bebe love?
Yeah.
Thank you po.
You want the big one.
You want a big one? Thank you.
I want the small one.
Yummy.
Ja, dat moet beneden.
Yeah?
Ja, weet ik niet.
Yeah, a little bit.
Ja?
Yeah.
Oh,
The weather changed.
ik heb geen jas.
Yesterday it said that it won't rain, and then in the evening I checked again.
Not yet.
No, not yet. 20%.
Oh ja, zo meteen.
What are you looking for, mahal? A bag?
Backpacks.
En?
Okay.
Small backpack. So I can put in the kite and then we can put in some food and stuff in there.
Oh, but you can also put it in my bag in the
Yeah, but I don't want to keep my my kite in the...
picture with your mom. Ah, so sweet.
Oh, valt wel mee. Het zijn mooie
Als je
tasjes.
de luxe er nog...
Na nagulan na. It's raining, mahal.
Oh.
Yeah. Dito po kami sa palagi namin kinakainan ng lunch ni Daniel.
Tosti?
Vapen ata to eh. Ang isa dito. Busy pa rin sa kanyang ice cream. Hanap na tayo makain dito, guys. Nagkanin na ba ako sa bahay? Baka may lumpia sila.
Ja.
Nag-beer na ang mister ko. Meron tayong pati. At coffee naman kay Bianan.
Weer ruiken.
Nou, lekker.
Dus je wil mij maar op bloem.
Tomaten.
0% mahal.
No. St. Bernardus 8%.
Oh, lekker.
8%.
Here.
To Garnet's birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday.
Happy birthday, asawa.
Sabi pa ni Daniel ba, it's so good that his mom is here also daw.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's fun having her here too.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
Because we've been here before a lot without her.
Yeah. I like it.
Wow,
Yes.
look at that ang
Yeah.
order ni Daniel. You ordered that before already, mahal. The last time we were here. And Vika is tuna bread.
Nathan,
lekker.
wat wil je op je broodje?
Kumain na yan. He already ate, my love.
Op mijn... Ik
Or what about you? You want one?
No, just this
wil
one.
niks op mijn
No.
brood.
Eet smakelijk, everybody. Oh. Look how good is that. Yeah, nagkanin na kasi ako sa bahay. I already ate the rice, mahal. At home, so I'm still full.
Oké hoor.
Hey,
I did not eat
No.
any rice.
Hot pa. What's inside this?
Lettuce.
Ah, lettuce. Just lettuce and then cranberry?
Fenugreek kaas, fenugreek cheese, cranberry jam, lettuce.
ei?
Nee, geen ei.
De oma heeft me met ei?
Nou, waarschijnlijk zit hier
You don't
wel
like
ei.
it?
What's with the jam? Alas 12 pa lang guys. Kaaga din kasi namin dito. So, still enjoying? Not a lot?
I'm getting full now.
Yeah. Humingi ako kay Daniel with cheese and lettuce at yung cranberry pero walang bread. Better.
Better?
Yeah. It's better without the bread, mahal.
I like it more with bread.
Hmm?
Wees maar.
Hoeven wij ons ook niet schuldig te voelen als het eruit ziet als een orkaan.
That's Dutch. They can just talk like that.
Like what?
Ja.
Like, you know, it's different but in the Philippines. Like here, you have a topic and then you talk a lot, but we don't really do that with the strangers in the Philippines.
Nee.
Here you say like, oh, the weather is nice.
Ja.
It's always like that. Oh, the weather is nice. Then they talk a
Yeah.
lot, even if they don't know each other. In the Philippines, even when you just do this, it will be
Always?
strange. It will be strange.
Always.
Oh, yeah?
Because it's changing
Now?
in the Netherlands. Yeah. Because people are getting more to themselves with their phones and
Oh,
stuff
yeah.
like that. So
Yeah,
we're not
yeah.
talking a lot anymore.
The first time I got here, I was very shocked because we were in the train and then he was talking to the old woman in front of him and they were just talking like maybe 15 minutes and then I asked him, do you know the Frau? He said, no, we're just talking. Ganyan sila guys ang
Yeah.
Dutch.
Same.
Andito lang kami sa harap niya guys. Pabayaan natin siya mag-enjoy muna kay may
Want dan
beer
kunnen
pa
we
si
via de bosgat weer terug.
Daniel at may tipa po ako. So guys,
Via West naar Zee terug.
pusin na natin
Oh,
itong
yeah,
mga
that is also,
kabuang
yeah.
natin dito kay magdalawang vlog po ako for today. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow kung di absent. Guys, magbayad na si Bian. Mamaya ako na naman. Kami na naman ang taya mamaya kay para sa birthday ko. Yun po ang treat ko. Birthday, dinner birthday.